Namaste everyone. Welcome to the class. This is Rajesh. Now here we are going to see solutions for second worksheet. The first problem is write the value of integration of sec square x upon cosec square x dx. So we will start. I will write I equal to integration of sec square x upon cosec square x dx. Now this sec square x can be written as 1 upon cos square x, and this cosec square x can be written as 1 upon sin square x. So this will become, this sin square will go in numerator and this cos square will be in denominator. So I have sin square x upon cos square x dx. Sin square x upon cos square x is integration of tan square x dx. Now this tan square x can be written as sec square x minus 1. So this is sec square x minus 1 dx. Integration of sec square is tan x and integration of 1 is x. So the integration of this term, which is sec square x upon cosec square x dx, is tan x minus x plus c. Let us see the second question. We have I is equals to integration of dx upon, to dx upon means I can write this as 1 upon x square plus 16 dx. Now this is 1 upon x square plus this 16 can be written as 4 square. So this is 1 upon 4 into tan inverse x upon 4. Right, this is formula. Integration of 1 upon x square plus a square is 1 upon a into tan inverse x upon a. So that's it. If you want, you can write in right hand side the respective formula. Now third question, we have I is equals to integration of 2 minus 3 sin x whole divided by cos square x. So what we do here, we separate it. So this become 2 upon cos square x minus this will become 3, I can take out 1 upon it is sin upon, sin upon cos square x. So this I will write as sin square sin x upon cos square x dx. We have to convert them in such a form for which we know the integration. So like here I will take 2 common and 1 upon cos square I will write as sec square x dx. Then we have minus 3 sin upon cos is tan and 1 upon cos is sec. So this we can write as tan x into sec x dx. So integration of sec square x is what? Integration of sec square x is tan x minus 3 integration of tan x into sec x or sec x into tan x is what we can say, that sec x, right? Derivative of sec x is sec x tan x. So it is 3 into sec x plus c. So 2 tan x minus 3 sec x plus c. This is the answer for this particular question. Okay, let us move to next question, fourth question. Fourth question is integration. So I will say I equal to, I is equals to integration of sec x, in bracket we have sec x plus tan x. What we do? We will open this bracket first. So this will become integration of sec square x plus sec x tan x into dx. Now this integration here, if I open, so this will become integration of sec square x dx plus this will become integration of sec x into tan x into dx. Now integration of sec square is tan x. So here I have tan x plus integration of sec x tan x. Yes, as you know, it is sec x. So this is tan x plus sec x plus c. So here for 1 mark question, okay, we see that the problems are very simple. Only you have to remember respective formulas. Now let us see this fifth question. Fifth question is your integration I, it is 1 upon root of 1 minus x square dx. So you know the formula of 1 upon root of a square minus x square. Yes, you can write this 1 as 1 square minus x square. I hope you know the formula. It is sin inverse x upon a. So here you will write sin inverse x upon 1. So it is sin inverse x only. Plus c, don't forget to write plus c. Now here your next problem is I equal to integration of log x the whole square whole divided by x into dx. What we do here? Yes, you are right. Here we will substitute log x as t. So let's take log x is equals to t. So therefore derivative of log x is 1 upon x into dx. It will become dt. So I will say that therefore I is equals to integration of, now log x you will say t. So it is t square into 1 upon x dx, you will write dt. So your final answer will be t cube divided by 3 plus c. Now in place of t cube, what I will say? I will say it is log x the whole cube divided by 3 plus c. This is our integration I. Simple. Okay, now let us move to 7th question. Okay, what you will do here? Any guess what you do? This is e power tan inverse x, and here in denominator I have 1 plus x square into dx. Tell me what you do. Is there any substitution that we apply here? Yes, again you are right. What we do? We will consider this tan inverse x as t. So therefore derivative of tan inverse x is what? 1 upon 1 plus x square. So you will get 1 upon 1 plus x square dx is equals to dt. So we will replace, we will say that therefore I is equals to integration of e power tan inverse x. So in place of tan inverse x we have written t. So it is e power t, and 1 upon x square dx we have written dt. So it is e power t into dt. So with respect to t, integration of e power t is what? E power t. So I will write e power t plus c. This will become e power. Now I will replace t with tan inverse x. So it is e power tan inverse x plus c. Now let us see this 8th question. Here I is equals to integration of ax plus b the whole power 3. So if we integrate, what we will get? Here if it is in the form of ax plus b, so two ways we have learned the formula. When it is ax plus b, then we treat this ax plus b as single term, we find integration and then divide the whole answer by the coefficient of x, or else you can use substitution method also. Okay, so I am not going to use substitution method. Simply I will say that here this is equal to ax plus b the whole power 4 upon 4. This is my integration when I take this as x, and then I will divide the whole thing by the coefficient of x. So your final answer will be ax plus b whole power 4 divided by 4a plus c. Now let us see the ninth question. Here it is 1 plus log x the whole square upon x. So what I will say that I will say first I will write the question. It is I equal to 1 plus log x the whole square whole divided by x dx. So I will say let 1 plus log x, I will say let 1 plus log x is t. So therefore derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of log x is 1 upon x, so it is 1 upon x dx is equals to dt. So I will say that therefore I is equals to integration 1 plus log x, I will say it is t, so it will become t square, 1 upon x dx is dt, so it is t square dt. Now the integration of t square is t cube whole divided by 3 plus c. Now t, what I will resubstitute, in place of t I will write 1 plus log x, I will say 1 plus log x the whole cube, we have 1 plus log x the whole cube divided by 3 plus c. So I is equals to 1 plus log x the whole cube divided by 3 plus c. This is 9th question. And finally let us see the 10th problem. I is equals to integration of e power 2x minus e power minus 2x whole divided by e power 2x plus e power minus 2x dx. So in this kind of problem always see whether derivative of denominator is present. So e power 2x derivative is 2 into e power 2x and e power minus 2x is minus 2 into e power minus 2x. So almost derivative is there. So I will consider let e power 2x plus e power minus 2x equal to t. Now I differentiate it, so I will get 2 into e power 2x minus 2 into e power minus 2x into dx, I will get this as dt. So I will take 2 common. So once I take 2 common, here I have e power 2x minus e power minus 2x into dx. This is equal to dt. Okay. So here in numerator I have e power 2x minus e power minus 2x. So therefore I will say that e power 2x minus e power minus 2x into dx, this whole term is 1 upon 2 into dt. So therefore I have I is equals to integration of now e power 2x minus e power minus 2x dx, this whole part will become 1 upon 2 dt. So I will say this is 1 upon t into 1 upon 2 dt. So 1 upon 2 I will take common, let us take 1 upon 2 common. Here it is integration of 1 upon t, which is log t plus c. So this I will say that 1 upon 2 log. Now what we have taken t, it is e power 2x plus e power minus 2x plus c. So this is our answer. Simple. I hope you understand all the questions, right? Thank you.